Next, we're going to look at weekly reports. So on the left side here under Pro Features, you'll hit Weekly Reports. And what this does is it'll give you a basic report for how your business performed the week prior. It'll show you new leads, how many of those leads were, or how many leads you sold the prior week. And it'll also give you a job summary for every single job people were staffed on. Now, to get the details from how that job went, the employees must enter the comments for that job and any pictures that were uploaded on that day. So make sure that at the end of every workday on a project, they upload a picture and they provide any comments or updates. Then you just hit generate report. There probably won't be anything on this one since we're just doing a demo, but you'll see how many new leads, leads sold, new service calls, and then completed jobs, and then what was sold. So sold item and then the salesperson. And then in this section for the jobs report, you will see what everybody was assigned to, any images, and what happened on those days. And then you can also print out the report with the print button, and then you can go back to other months and either look at a report or generate a brand new report. So let's go back to June. Let's say May 30th to June 5th. So here we had one lead sold, and it was a retractable awning, and somebody was assigned to do the tracker retractable awning, but we didn't have any comments. So this is really important why you want to add images and comments so you can see what happened for that day. And this makes pulling data and getting information into a readable format much, much easier for your business to help save time.